How to find the best Suboxone doctor in Idaho, tips and resources. Are you looking for the best Suboxone doctor in Idaho but don't know where to start? It's one thing to look at a list of Suboxone doctors in Idaho, but another to find one qualified and experienced enough to provide you with the best treatment. This video will discuss tips and tricks to help you find the best Suboxone doctor in Idaho. We will cover all the basics, from understanding Suboxone treatment to researching local Suboxone doctors near you. So, let's get started. Before starting your search, you must understand the basics of Suboxone treatment. Suboxone is a prescription medication used to treat opioid addiction and reduce withdrawal symptoms. It contains two active ingredients, buprenorphine and naloxone, which work together to block the effects of opioids on the brain. It can be taken as a sublingual film or tablet and is available in different dosages. However, it is crucial to take Suboxone only as prescribed by your doctor. To make the process easier, research local Suboxone doctors near you. You can use online directories and resources like suboxonedoctor.com to help narrow down your options. You can also read patient reviews and testimonials to create a short list of potential Suboxone doctors who might fit you well. Check if they accept your health insurance and offer additional services that may benefit you. Reading patient reviews and testimonials will help you understand what others think about the doctor's services, professionalism, and overall care. It also helps to eliminate some potential doctors from your list if the reviews could be more favorable. Ask for personal recommendations from people you know who have been treated for opioid addiction. Use websites like GoodRx or SAMHSA's Treatment Locator and helplines to compare costs between different Suboxone doctors in Idaho and understand which offers the most affordable services. Doing this research ahead of time will help you save time and money in the long run. You can also use websites like suboxonedoctor.com to compare doctors in your area. It provides information about the doctor's qualifications, experience, patient reviews, costs, and services. Understanding your rights as a patient is essential when seeking Suboxone treatment. If a doctor refuses to treat your addiction or provides inadequate care, they can be held accountable under the Controlled Substances Act. All patients have the right to choose their doctor, receive informed consent about their treatment, and have access to their medical records. All doctors must adhere to specific guidelines when prescribing medication, such as Suboxone, so you must ensure that the doctor you choose is properly certified and licensed. Now that you know how to find the best Suboxone doctor in Idaho, it's time to take action. Follow the steps we've discussed, and you'll find a qualified and experienced Suboxone doctor who can provide you with the best treatment. Always ask questions and ensure you are comfortable with the doctor you choose. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey to recovery.